Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Backup notebooks and export dependencies with pip freeze so you can rebuild later. Once done, close Jupyter kernels and stop any running Python processes to avoid file locks. Next, discover how Python was installed, System Package Manager, Anaconda/Miniconda, PyEnv, or Windows MSI because the removal steps differ. Make sure you have admin rights or sudo access. With that, proceed to the specific removal command set for your installer type. Now remove Jupyter and associated packages. If you used pip, run pip uninstall Jupyter Notebook Jupyter Lab and pip uninstall ipykernel. If conda, run conda remove name-based Jupyter all or remove per environment Jupyter. Clean kernel specs with Jupyter kernel spec list and Jupyter kernel spec remove for leftover entries. Delete user data folders like ~, local /share /Jupyter and ~/ ipython. Finally, remove virtual environments and associated site packages directories so stray kernels cannot restart later. Make sure you target the right env names to finish by uninstalling Python itself with the appropriate tool. apt remove or apt purge Python 3 on Linux, brew uninstall Python on Mac OS, or remove via Windows programs and features for MSI installs. Once removed, edit path and environment variables to drop Python entries and delete leftover directories like ~, local /lib or app data folders. Make sure to run Python version and which Python or where Python to confirm removal. If you still see executables, locate remaining site packages and kernels, then delete them and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.